di ko ma... di- I'm not able to express my thanks and the great honor she's endowed upon me for endorsing me. Biglaan lang naman yung ad na yun. Naalala namin kasi ako nakatutok sa hearing, nakatutok sa budget, nakatutok sa kung saan-saan. Abay, sabi nga, hey, mangampanya na tayo at biglaan kami nag-taping ng the following day. Strangely, at least to me, the Vice President said that it has to be black. Sabi ko, what kind of political ad is in black? What are we going to do? Why black? Because black is the color of the country today. And I suppose she's right. And as a result, we shot the entire thing dressed in black, which I thought was rather grim, but at the same time, it's entirely appropriate. So that's what happened. Itim. Ipaglaban ng tama, itama ang mali.